Yeah.
Big up my fans. I don't know you know right now. Guys, I'm gonna see them come England.
Alright.
All of them. One set of yard woman in the middle.
Yeah.
Being niceness and chatting. Laughing right back to the man.
Ow.
Oh.
Cross himself.
Miserable. You know my style.
Cross.
Look more murder my fans. No worry yourself. Later murder.
Yeah.
Murder. I'm only patting for telling you right now. Come here rehearsal now.
Yeah, rehearsal.
From last night.
Crossing at a good life.
Which is right.
You see me? So is it today we are today the boat off the land and crossing at the kitchen.
Of course, stove now, so no shaky something.
Everything up down.
Up and running. Yeah man, quick cook.
Quick cook. I don't know. Roger already? I got gauge the cold stove.
Gauge, you want to see cold?
See you cold, we are going to shop. Where so we are going to
yeah.
Wholesale.
Wholesale. We got a wholesale.
Where you get the things them kind of pana?
Yeah.
Pana liquor price.
Yeah, pana liquor price.
Yes.
Seaview Supermarket Enterprise. Spice it up for people.
Which is right.
Kind of stock it right, sir. Never gonna show up. Never seen a man a movie. I would have seen them theater was taste. I would not laugh. People man not chuck off a building.
Ready?
Ready? Let's move, man.
Cross, make them know. Look
Yeah, my
more.
fans, man. And me, man. Love you know.
Oh.
Later, murder.
Yeah, when I ship your
Shut
land.
the phone up. Get me?
Alright. When I ship your land, a murder. When it dark.
A murder.
So right now we are going to shop.
Yeah. Now we go to the shop now.
We're going to the shop now.
Yeah.
In the good life. People them love you still, you know.
I love them too.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see you.
Up, you know. Good life.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right now.
Younglish. Good life. Man say both right.
Yeah, man, I'm me, yo. I'm here the icon. If you about the icon, you can't.
Good life. Ah.
To the Enterprise.
Yeah. To the Enterprise.
Yes. This is the way. Just follow the arrow themselves.
So right now we're in phase one. Right now we're in phase one. Supermarket we call it. Not about wholesale.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know the good life.
Right.
You know the good life. Good,
Yeah.
good. So you know today.
We are heading now. Mr. Jones Pathway.
Yeah.
Yeah, the principal for Seaview Garden. Pass away. Principal, long time principal, when I'm there, bro, one part, bro. Yeah, when I want part, when I want school. Social in the school, so I'm so sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you're there. Yes. We have an extra over that side. Snacks and those stuff. Mommy, big up yourself.
Pick up yourself.
Alright.
Reggie, you know?
Yeah, that's the Seaview Garden primary.
So you know Roger lead our direction today.
This one is the right. Straight, go on, mother. Where's everything? Come look now, take our mate now. I want to me have a mate. Come closer.
Alive. Oh God.
Time for old, time for young.
Not you. Your friend is.
Yeah. Hello. Hello. God, that's shooter.
Yeah. Just remember it now.
Kevin, you know?
Yeah. Overseas guy, you know? Check himself.
Oh, the
Yeah.
so the bus the car now can't see in a yard. One here.
Yeah, that's a long time to come over here. A long time.
Long time to come over these sides.
When I was a kid, I used to up and down. Get bigger now when you walk up and down.
What happened?
Oh, true.
The fourth top I'm going to me and pass and me have to stop. What's up, my friend?
But they
Are there another good life?
yeah.
Big up yourself. Introduce yourself to the good life.
My name is Poochie.
Oh.
I'm there. I'm a friend. Good life.
Oh. And you love the good life.
Yeah,
And you live the good life.
of course.
Yeah, and complain.
Can't complain. One cocoa, full penny basket.
See it there?
Eat that.
I eat that.
Yeah.
Today we come buy some food today. So you know the thing go.
Alright.
Roger the general I cook a pot.
Roger, you cook?
Yeah.
And that meal?
Yeah. And so you know the thing go.
Yourself.
Pick up yourself, Poach.
Yeah.
Good life.
Yeah.
Plum.
Jamaican, real food. See me, we can't hungry enough. So we have fruit pantry.
I'm hungry.
See it? We have fruit
Yo,
pantry.
some more plum there, Roger.
Oh man, go to two man. We have a tree over here too sweet, you know. You can't stress people.
Yeah, he knows the one then.
That's a poor now.
I'm going to buy chicken back in one man.
If we buy chicken,
That's why you must say we don't want more than 2 pounds.
sure.
Can you buy chicken back?
Okay, okay,
One
okay.
more than 2 pounds.
We give it 1.5 pound. I think everything press out now.
Like one? Keep that for now.
Yes, mommy.
So,
Half pound $20.
Yeah. Sweet pepper. I want to bite my tongue, you know. I get tummy from what day in the star. How I go on?
yeah, I get stammer.
Sweet pepper, 1 sweet pepper. Onion. 2 onion. And 1 tomato. I use pepper. And pepper, mommy.
A cucumber.
It's time. Yes, time to go in a day pot.
Somebody with what here. Yeah. Time we're growing out.
Right, so.
The pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
$100.
Guano.
So buy about 2 pounds. Much pound now? About 2 pounds.
One piece of grater and 1 piece of sniper.
It's about what, 3 pounds.
That's
2
all right.
pounds.
That's all right.
You buy chicken and a pumpkin pot.
And the soup me a cook.
You want to on a big.
Pumpkin soup is a bad.
I'm looking for good life, you know.
She there upon a good life. In phase 1. And you can find mommy. She sell a pillar.
Right. So a pillar.
Pillar,
She have
shop,
sacks.
sacks,
Runner.
shop, runner.
Towel. Shot.
Rag.
Bathing rag. Scoochie. Put the ear pan. Toothbrush. Keep it clean. You come to the video. Come for comb ear and tooth. Clothespin.
Yeah.
Fab soap. We have all woman them thing on the too.
Yeah.
Whoa, upon the wrap on the bank.
Yeah. Over there, phase 2. Tell them where to find phase 1. Tell them where to find you, mommy. Mommy, tell them where to find you. Phase 1. We're in phase 1.
If you not tell you what I tell.
Which part on the sidewalk here there? And the wholesale. So you should be right next to the wholesale in phase 1. Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
I always tell him, say, Roger, don't eat it off, it serve you. So when you keep on come shop, come spend the money still. I will borrow it for full of food. Understand? Dad! Come shop, save you, come buy the goods then. Yeah.
Listen, you get the foreign food, them, you don't eat them off.
No, if they will let them foreigner.
You just save them and still come and shop. Good Roger, you know. Roger, buy a chicken back already.
What a coincidence! Like I said, no 1 year alone there. I want more. I don't want years, I want more.
How much chicken back we're going to eat?
How much?
That's how much chicken back we're going to eat.
Coming more, coming.
Buy what? 2 pounds?
Oh, nah, buy. Yeah, cause now the cabbage are coming.
Yeah, 2 pounds. Me 2 pounds. How much is 2 pounds? 200.
I learned that you see me, you couldn't try something.
I'm not going to want more than 2 pounds. We must have enough people, you know.
Give me 3 pounds, bossy.
You never plan to reach us, so.
3 pounds.
Yeah, never for real, man. I'm take me day off and day me yard.
Roger, how much flour you buy?
3.
What this?
3.
How much did you buy with them? The 3.
I believe remember you to buy it last time.
Program me are going from other day, no Jamaica Good Life.
So when you come, you go and listen to me.
Program. Start seeing it on YouTube, man. Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. How me, man? Right now. Go man, that is ship here.
Alright.
Yeah.
Nana.
Yeah.
This we know about.
Nah.
We definitely got some flat.
That's nice fish.
Nana shop. Original shop is in Seaview, you know. Yeah.
On Germany.
Oh,
Get on YouTube.
Let them know your name, my general.
Well, I'm John, you know. Work at
Faith in
Faith in God.
Yeah.
So if you want any good, so you can come here. The good meat is here, good rice, good flour, good sugar, anything that's
And
good.
the good old chicken back.
Yeah, you see, we sell the best chicken back.
Oh.
And best chicken food, the fattest chicken food you can find is you come here.
And the sliced fish,
And
oh.
the slice fish.
Slice fish here, virgin just come to purchase.
Banga,
take
you
it.
come
And
too.
you want banga, you can get it. You have grown to any type of fish you want. We don't sell the freshwater one though.
Okay.
Yeah, don't the sea one. We don't deal with the fresh one.
I will preach all the gospel too.
Yes.
Yeah.
And if you want to be safe, you can come right here and get you soul well sanctified.
Right here.
Right
So tell them where
here.
to find you.
Faith in God in Seaview.
Yeah. Tell them exactly where in Seaview.
Yeah.
Snapper pot.
Which part exactly in Seaview then?
Right behind the primary basic school.
Right behind the primary basic school, you can come and find Faith in God wholesale. And you can also the Weller family or John.
Yeah, definitely. So people can come and support.
Yeah, man.
Out there in phase 1. Thanks, yeah.
Good every time. We good over here for God every time.
Good over here. And a good life to say, you know.
Love what you deal with every day.
Yeah, man. So people definitely come support.
Yes,
Yeah. So we like keep up the good life. So we highlight the positive, you know.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Right. Yeah.
The right thing. So the inner city. So they can look fit on YouTube.
Alright.
Yeah. So they start in Jamaica Good Life.
Alright, bless you.
Alright.
One more step anyway.
So one more step. I see we're gonna try out the slice fish. That is the best slice fish.
Best slice fish in town.
Right
The
here.
best
Come
good old
right
chicken
around.
back.
You can add the best back, best food, anything that you want is best. Come and Faith in God.
Alright.
Yeah, well, please.
Well, please. You don't
Well,
sell coal.
please.
You sell coal?
No.
Oh, you don't coal. Can we eat coal?
Over check over
Alright, yeah. We're gonna look some coal.
Yes,
Alright, bless it.
Man, why is it?
Yeah,
man, the man shot, man. Man shot.
Faith in God.
Yeah.
faith
You want to
in
be safe? I will take you to faith in God.
Of course.
Yeah. It's the man who said the son. Eh? Look over there. Point the fingers, bring the people around the faith in God.
Faith in God. Jamaica Good Life. You can type it in on YouTube. Yeah? See there? So we have everything now. So don't forget to go support Faith in God.
Right. Yeah, man. Like
Bargain deal.
Be safe.
Yeah.
Original,
It's called Faith in God. Right behind the Seaview Primary School.
Originally known as Nana.
Originally known as Nana. So we have everything now.
Police for walk, we are walking on.
The biggest stuff I run is some pump.
Sadal. Coleman.
So that is Coleman.
Mr. Dal.
Slimmers. We're going baby. Yeah. Mama murder.
So Mr. Dal, you're original Seaview man.
Yeah, man, I find yet when me live here someone. I 82, 83.
Long time.
Yeah, man. 30 odd year.
Yeah, you got kids here? You think?
All my kids, them big, great grand picnic there now. Only great grand picnic there now.
See. So you make your cold skill and in
No, sir, me buy from company. Buy.
Oh, you buy the coal? Okay.
$200 bag.
Okay.
Me pay for coal. I'm on the car, so you come here for me too.
So a long time now you sell coal in Seaview?
Yeah, man, a long time with you, man. Them not tell shop for me live here at me little work this. For me live here and yet you win.
Original coal man.
Yeah, man. And yet when me get the house,
Yeah.
me say anytime me come take over. A course in and full. I tell for me living at the way where me stay. Say, think it will help me.
Yeah. Okay, so you sell cursing oil as well?
Yeah, man, me sell coursing oil too, man.
Okay.
Me used to sell dragon and guineas and all them and rum. Me the first man sell rum in a Seaview here, right off here so. But when me, yo!
Never run from the back and come back. Hold this. Take a 2 bills out of this.
Yeah, put it down there, sir.
Give me the lock there. The key. Make me change here till I come back home.
What you want?
The cat.
Brother, I'm going to tell you, I'm left leg on the cat again, brother. I want
Me not after all me if you know that. When you tell me that.
we do my little work, brother, this morning. You know what time you need? Wake this morning.
Let me tell you exactly what I do.
5 o'clock this morning, me I hit upon the road, you know,
Let me
brother.
tell you what exactly I do. That means you can't know what I do. I carry my boat engine girl over put on for my boat. Set up on my boat. And carry back around.
5 o'clock this morning, brother.
Where you go, see?
Yeah, man.
You get fish?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So I buy a fish engine.
Yeah.
So I carry around and on my boat, round and on. So I put it on to see if it fit.
Yeah.
That 15, if it fit on the boat, if it around the boat the right way.
Yeah.
And come back to me.
5 o'clock this morning, brother, me I hit upon the road.
Alright, just roll my money till
I like that.
So you want to come down with like a fishing village down there, come
Yeah. I love it so hard, go on. More, give me a number. Raja. Oh, you mean? Come on to food that you're a concert.
Yo, Sergeant.
Open up my kids.
Let's see. We are resting.
Yes.
What? A full moon is on the house.
It's a full moon.
Yeah, man, come link here, man. Yeah.
Which part you got busy? Where you gonna busy? Introduce yourself to the good life.
Yes. So yeah, this is Jody and you know the roast fish and thing. You know, I have my job. You know come. You see I distract me. So I go to school and I do my thing on the side. You know, I sell ice cream, I sell ice, I sell juice. multitask. You know, so the thing said.
So you got school now?
Yeah, man, I go to school.
Well, I catch you later, man, because I'm going to see you.
Catch when me I seize up the fish and I roast it. I'm a customer, them a good customer.
Alright then. Then I'm going to see you on the Good Life. Everyone. Alright.
So circle, man.
Alright then.
So circle.
Yeah, so we get everything I know for the boat for land. You know, Roger mash up things again today. Ah, then you look tired now, the Good Life. You watch football by your phone?
Yeah, they have watch one Good Life match, you know.
Yeah. You and Roger go and sort out the matter properly. So look out.
Look, people not no left. There not no left.
Bag empty now.
Yeah.
Roger, your table look good.
So far.
You cook for your fans them today, right?
Right, the fans them. Cooking for the team.
Hands up. Hands up.
Hands up, man, hands down.
Yeah, I'm pretty squad here now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Roger, we have in the kitchen, Roger.
Today's menu is
Yeah.
we have a Jill Bill aisle,
Big Gila aisle.
some banana, fruit seasoning around the side, a pumpkin right here,
Yeah.
have some Jamaican stuff, okra, you know. Right now, 6 right now, right now, I'm saying go buy 6 more now. Serious to God. We have cabbage up on this block, and we have grilled jump. Back to the argument now.
Yeah.
Okra, carrot, we have bunion,
Yeah. And an onion, bunion.
bunion.
Bunion upon food.
If you ever carry going on the field, I'll show you bunion pan bush. You got to me say the pan foot. No, bush me know it up pants. Come here. Cabbage, flour, chicken bag. Well, today I'm gonna shut up some chop suey.
Chop suey.
Yeah.
Some chicken back, chop suey.
Yeah.
Chicken back and cabbage.
Yeah, chop suey. You know? Wait. Hold on, I'm get the grater. I saw me back. Fun. Get the grater.
Something on the table, you know.
You can't take water. That come like energy saver. Why you about energy saver?
Yeah. I'm murdering that shit guys.
Man, the girl and see me don't bring them pussy, you know. Don't bring them and squeeze up, man.
This one a bigger pot. Ah, then now kind of small pot they say I get them an now then.
Me say you want me soda pot them or you want my pot them? No, my pot them. Yes, so where you want me to do, Jerry?
Say more, it's one a bigger pot. I don't want a little pot.
Yeah, me give it anything more.
So we get a knife.
Knife.
Lay knife there. Roger, you see the knife there?
Yeah.
You have to scrub it, you have to carve it on the wall and clean up.
So the neck is the milk. What's up? Boom, nigga, call me the bossy.
Camille. If you got to buy Camille.
You must say the man to me say me not come in one place.
Oh, I'll go buy Camille and come back.
Come in over the subject. Why not? Why not?
Yeah, do it.
When I eat pumpkin, look here. It's when time when I eat pumpkin, take organics. It's when time when I eat pumpkin, this is my when I eat pumpkin, one pumpkin. Say if I not pumpkin stew.
Yeah.
A straight pumpkin in a pot of butter. One pumpkin and done feed there. You know that tomorrow or late.
Yeah, Lord.
Want some more money?
Roger ready, sandwich and flour them together. Calm in and the big life put flour again.
Yeah, it's the good chef, you know.
Step by step.
And we live in a good life.
Step by step.
Don't ring there. I'm going to flour.
Roger, you lost it.
Oh, I will try it, yeah. I will try it, yeah.
What do you say you got last say watch? My last say watch again.
Jamaica Good Life.
Good life.
Good life.
Ada mai pat aku perfect.
The huge one you want. So, you want one. You want me to change your pot there to wait there.
Don't put it put.
No, the meat pot. Wait there. See over there, so I'm
In flour me and talk about can't eat 3 pounds of flour again one time.
No. Not time for that.
Just like me and say.
Can't need 3 pounds one time.
No.
Too much.
No, not so too much then.
You don't want it too tight.
I don't want it too tight. That girl in my friend from what this? I like when I cook in a put the dumpling. Too tight.
The rules of the dumpling, man. No tight dumpling.
Not take a crime, bad chef.
Different arm action.
Yeah.
First, I come like man dribble. Freedom. Oh.
Cause you have to change that. Cause you have to change that hand in a Neil. Cause you have to change that hand.
Yo, watch out. Anybody that kitchen water put it on the stove for me? No one put it on the stove for me, get some more inside. Other than getting some salt, go in the pot there for me. I need some more in a big packet of ones, bubs. Ox. Steams. Oh!
I'm tired.
Sam, look down, and that cool up on all in a sewer one. And don't bring it to wait. Look at this. You, what are you doing? It's a dull cold bad. Don't me, I tell you no.
Transform it now.
You must say, what you find out though? My dance.
And this is one all purpose.
Yeah.
That means I tell us to do a while ago and just transform into another.
Now the one,
That's all. You know, I know them man yeah. That when need a while ago, him alone, he mash it up.
me alone, you know. People right on them flowers, man, and me alone, you
You
know.
have put the salt in your pot.
Okay, you hear the man tell you. The one we see him deal with him alone, you know. You make sure do that one here separate.
Yeah?
So one separate. Next one I'm alone. And the good life.
Yeah. Next time I'm alone. Take him for joke.
And believe
No,
a joke.
but Kino could have feel like a joke that me and talk. Him,
Up a Manamia, up a chicken and you tell living up a Manamira. And him cook for Manamira.
Yeah.
I know Manamira cook enough.
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
never cook for the world. Yeah.
Yeah.
Different, I'll bust up crew them.
Kino, when they hear me at PG, and I say, no man, something wrong. Lose it.
You lose it.
Yeah.
Come on, you separate the flour them.
Them time them a need all 5 pounds.
Yeah. One go.
And him can't eat 3 now. Him all a change all and I give on terms and all them things there. Joke.
Yeah, you say Anna tired.
For 2 pounds of flour.
Boy, some of the business space boys, I have a bill. Make them boy, keep one of them clown them. These be dumpling and them need them thing put in a pot.
Roger. I don't bring a gear warm time, man. You dumpling king. I always have back of you. Yeah.
Go on, no. Rub this with the water. Because I can have wash.
Never tell you a while ago.
Come on, them there. You want to don't rub it out, so. You don't rub it up. I'll let place it. You don't have to wash it.
You have to flex something. Bad item.
Pretty much, so. It's pretty much. Show my pants. May I show my pants, them, so. May I show my pants, them, so.
Cool and burn out.
It's a boil. None of me a pot.
If you're new to the channel, you have to click on Season 1 playlist. It's a must.